Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best organic dog foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Honest Kitchen Organic Dog Food. From all of the different organic brands, the best by far is Honest Kitchen. Honest Kitchen's organic dog food is not only good for your dog because of its organic ingredients, but the company also understands the importance of using human-grade tools, so you know your dog's food surpasses normal standards. The brand uses whole grains and vegetables and emphasizes its commitment to producing organic dog food by using free-range organic chicken and turkey, as well as ranch-raised beef. The cooking process is very simple, as you just have to add warm water for a hearty meal for your dog. Plus, this wholesome recipe is perfect for dogs of all ages, from puppies to active adults of any breed. All things considered, the Honest Kitchen Organic Dog Food offers your dog a healthy and delicious meal and gives you peace of mind. The high-quality organic ingredients make a wholesome recipe, and reliability for all dogs combine to make Honest Kitchen's dog food the best on the list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nutro Wholesome Essentials Dry Dog Food. If you're looking for an organic dry dog food option that's both beneficial to your dog and affordable for you, look no further than the Nutro Wholesome Essentials Dog Food. This dog food is made with delicious ingredients like farm-raised chicken, sweet potatoes, and brown rice, all organically produced to promote healthy skin, a soft coat, and overall good health in your dog. Unfortunately, many of the essentials for your dog's health, like vitamins and protein-rich foods, aren't found in regular dog food, making organic dog food a must. For optimal health from the inside out, this dog food also contains omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which are essential for good health. Combine all of the health benefits with the extra benefit of saving money with this product, and it's easy to see why it's one of the best. Non-GMO and clean ingredients are necessary for a healthy dog. The Nutro Wholesome Essentials Dog Food combines the best of both worlds for you and your dog. Your dog can enjoy organic and nutritious meals, while you enjoy a fuller wallet. At number 3, we have the Ketona Chicken Recipe Dry Dog Food. Another great option is the Ketona Chicken Recipe Dog Food. This brand has all of the comforts of filling food, without the added artificial preservatives and artificial flavors. Unlike other products that claim to be grain-free, this organic product contains 75% fewer carbohydrates. Instead, it supplements the overall nutrition with more protein that comes mainly from organic chicken, an astounding 46% to be exact. Your dog is sure to enjoy the delicious taste of ingredients like organic chicken, chia seeds, and coconut oil. These organic ingredients help build up a strong immune system and the digestive tract. The Ketona Chicken Recipe is a great organic dog food brand because of its ingredients, but also because of its superb packaging, transparency, and quality. It's definitely a good brand to try out. At number 2, we have the Castor and Pollux Organix Dry Dog Food. If you want something that's tailored to your small dog's needs, then you should definitely try Castor and Pollux Organix Dog Food. This brand is designed specifically for the little guy and has non-genetically modified ingredients like blueberries, coconut oil, and flaxseed. These ingredients combine with several others to aid with digestion in both a probiotic and prebiotic form. On top of that, Castor and Pollux value quality, so along with cooking foods in a certified organic kitchen, manufacturers also test before, during, and after production to ensure high-quality standards are met throughout. The Castor and Pollux Organix Dog Food is a brand that surpasses standards for both dogs and their owners. Attention to organic ingredients in production, as well as thorough testing, are some of the reasons why it's so great. And finally at number 1, we have the TruDog Freeze-Dried Dog Food. Transitioning your dog from a junk food diet to organic isn't easy, even though it's naturally better for your dog's health. This is where TruDog comes in. TruDog's freeze-dried food takes the best part of raw meat and turns it into a portable dried snack for your dog. You can serve it as a topper or a significant portion of your dog's meal. TruDog is made with several raw organic ingredients like beef lung, beef blood, and ground beef bone. Although these don't sound appetizing, they combine to make a treat that your dog can't resist. You should definitely try TruDog's freeze-dried food if you're trying to get your dog on a raw diet. Even if you're not, this is a great way to get an extra boost of health in. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.